Hi everyone, welcome to this video on designing a minimalist home. If you're looking for a clean and simple aesthetic, minimalist design might be the perfect choice for you. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips to help you create a minimalist home. Tip number 1. Keep it simple. Minimalism is all about keeping things simple. When choosing furniture, opt for clean lines and neutral colors. Avoid clutter by limiting the number of items in a room and keeping surfaces free of excess knickknacks. Tip number 2. Use neutral colors. Neutral colors, such as white, black, gray, and beige, are the cornerstone of minimalist design. These colors create a clean and neutral canvas that can be easily accessorized with pops of color or texture. Tip number 3. Embrace negative space in minimalist design. Negative space is just as important as the items that fill it. Leave some empty space between furniture and on walls to create a sense of calm and balance. Tip number 4. Invest in quality pieces. Minimalism is not about having less, but having fewer high-quality items. Invest in quality pieces of furniture, such as a comfortable sofa, a well-made bed, or a beautiful coffee table that can stand on their own and don't require a lot of accessories to look good. Tip number 5. Add textures and patterns. Minimalist design doesn't have to be boring. Add interest to your space by incorporating different textures and patterns. For example, try adding a textured throw pillow to your sofa or a patterned rug to your living room. I hope these tips have been helpful in designing a minimalist home. Remember, minimalism is about creating a simple and uncluttered space, but it doesn't have to be devoid of style or personality. Thank you for watching.